Hello everyone, welcome back to 5B. We're gonna solve some linear equations and develop some like the new skills for the formulas as well. So if we solve this linear relation or linear equations, we do is we actually have different ways to do. So you could use the CAS calculator, and sometimes we can use by hand. Just make sure the left hand side and right hand side are equal. Okay, for example, if I say x minus 3 equal to 5, so basically we're going to solve for x. And how to solve for x? So what we know is we're going to using the numbers minus 3 equal to 5. So what's the number of minus 3 equal to 5? That number will be 8. So, and also sometimes we have a 3 multiplied by w and minus 5 equal to 17. And we're going to solve the equation for w, which is I can show you the example later as well. So basically we try to solve for unknown numbers. Here is some examples we can do together. First thing first is like when x plus 6 equal to 10. So the number plus 6 equal to 10. So first thing first, we could do the both sides minus 6. Why are we doing that? Because I don't want the numbers on the left hand side. I just wanted the x on the left hand side, and then the rest of the number on the other side. So that's what I'm doing. And now we say 6 minus 6 equal to 0, which is x. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So we can say, solve function, x equal to 4. And we can substitution back the 4 to say, is that going to equal to left hand side or equal to right hand side? So 4 plus 6, yes, equal to 10. So this is how they solve the linear equation. Another thing, 3y equal to 18. So now we have 3 times y equal to 18. When we do this one, we both sides divided by 3. So 3y divided by 3 equal to y. And 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. So y equal to 6. That's the solve function. So 3 times 6 equal to 18. Yep. Another one, we have the bracket. So lots of people say, oh, bracket, you have to do the bracket first and then you do addition and do the multiplication. But in here, we expand the bracket. So first thing first, 4 times x minus 3. So which is 4 times x minus 4 times 3. So we substitution the 4 into each one of the bracket. That equal to 24. Once that equal to 24, so we can say 4x equal to minus 12 equal to 24. So as I said, I want x on the left hand side. Rest of the number on the right hand side. Sorry, I want x on the left hand side. I want the rest of the numbers on the right hand side. Yeah. So 4x minus 12 plus 12 equal to 24 plus 12. So 4x equal to 36. Now, both sides are divided by 4. So, divided by 4, divided by 4. Cancel out, x equal to 9. Solve the equation. Another example which is like that. So what we do is we have a minus number. So now what we do is we have minus number. So we could solve this function. So minus 4 minus 5b equal to 8. So we both sides plus 4, right? So we do is minus 4 minus 5b plus 4 equal to 8 plus 4. So what we do is we cancel out the 4. So that becomes the minus 5b equal to 12. And both sides divided by minus 5. So b equal to 12 over minus 5. Or we can say minus 12 over 5. It's the same thing. And I'm going to show you how to use the CAS calculator to solve this question during the class. And because we're going to using the solve function. And I will show you, because a very important thing is we have to know how to do the solve function. So that's why. All right, perfect. Now, we're going to determine the formula. So we're going to create a formula for us. So once we need to create a formula, first thing first, the parameter, I'm going to set up p equal to parameter. And I'm going to set up the x is the length, which is we don't know. And another thing is we have this shape, and what we do, we're going to be equal to p equal to 4 plus 7 plus x, because we need to find a parameter. So p equal to 11 plus x. So this is how that works. And now we have some ready question. And I'm going to do it by hand, and also we're going to do with CAS calculator as well. So first thing first, we know this one. And then what we're going to do is we say the car rental companies are actually to fix charging the $110 and also the $84 per day for hiring the car. And the Brown family is they actually budget for the $650 and then hire the car during the family holiday. So how many days are they hiring the car? So I will let day equal to days hiring. Yeah. And so that's all we need to know. We need to set up the x, or we'll set up any symbol. We can set up the alpha, beta, gamma. We can set up x and y and so on. And then, because I set up d because it's days. So 110 plus 84. How many days I don't know, so multiply that, equal to 650. So that's the main. That's how much money you hide in total, and how much per day as well. Yeah. So now what we do is we got this number, and we're gonna solve function. 84 multiplied by d equal to 650 minus 110. And now 84 day equal to 540, and day equal to 540 divided by 84. And then we can use the CAS calculator to calculate 540 divided by 84 equal to some numbers. So I think it's going to be around 6.4 something. So it should be 6 days. Because we can't say 6.4 days. That's just not gonna acceptable. So because could hire the car 6 days. In the 7 days they couldn't have anymore. So that's why. So yeah, this is all we need to know in 5B. Hopefully that I understand for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.